welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this 3D voluminous body wave wig unit. She also goes back to 6 inches, you guys, so super deep parting space, and she's also 100% glueless. So if you are into glueless wig units, this one might be for you. So just to jump right into this hair unboxing, thank you guys over at Hermosa hair for sending me over this wig unit. So if you guys aren't familiar with my YouTube channel, I do review for Hermosa like every now and then. I wouldn't say that it's super consistent, you guys, but this is not my first time reviewing for this hair company, so I am familiar, you guys. So with this cap construction, this one here does have a 4th comb, which sits right behind the lace frontal, and the only reason why I'm pointing that out is because you guys will definitely see me adjusting it in the hair video. But I also haven't received a cap construction that had that comb that sits right at the crown of your head. So yeah, anyways, really good bleaching job, and the knots are really small on this wig as well. So let's just jump right into this install. So this is going to be an adhesive install today, just using my tapes. But you guys, when I went to like pull off the adhesive tape, I was really confused because the whole thing came off. So I believe that this hair company actually placed the adhesive tapes on wrong. So I had to go back in and like put my own adhesive tapes in. So if you guys are looking for adhesive tapes for the 3rd time, oh my god, just go on Amazon. They have some really cheap on Amazon. So anyways, as you guys could see, I haven't even like installed or put the tape down or anything, you guys, and the lace is really good. So I would have to give this lace a 10 out of 10, you guys, because it's actually really good lace. Really good lace. So I'm just peeling off. It's really a peel and stick type of situation, you guys. I'm absolutely loving the adhesive tape installs because they're just really quick and easy. I guess I'm saying that because, you know, it makes my job easier. But even like at home, girl, it's literally like a peel and stick situation. Like, it's so easy to put these wigs on and go, especially when they're already kind of like pre-styled, right? So yeah, I absolutely love the adhesive tapes. Loving it. I never thought that adhesive tapes would be a thing these days, especially in like 2024, but they are. And I just love how quick and easy it is, especially when you have to go somewhere real quick. Put the adhesive tape on. So anyways, I'm just blending in this lace. I am using my contour shade instead of my, I guess, my face shade, you guys. That's something that I've just been doing for my hair reviews as of recently. So again, this wig unit does come with 6-inch deep parting space. I absolutely love that, you guys. I love deep parting space. It just looks the most natural, and you can be a little bit more versatile with your hairdos with the super deep parting space. So it actually looks like the middle part actually goes back a little further than 6 inches, you guys. But once again, really deep parting space. So I'm showing you guys side part, middle part, and then on this side, I believe I tried to do like a more of like a deeper side part, more of like a C curve for you guys, just so that you guys could see. But again, you can definitely get versatile with this wig unit. But for my hairstyle today, you guys, I am just going to be doing my left deep side part. I always wear my parts on the left side. I don't know, it's just like my thing. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing a left side part, and I'm going to pull out the curls. I'm going to put a little bit of heat to it. If you guys are wanting to know what heat tools I use and things of that such, you can always find all of the hair products, hair tools, hot tools, anything in my Amazon storefront. That's where I leave all of the products to. I still see people kind of asking me where is this and where is that. So everything is down in my Amazon storefront, you guys. Make sure you guys check there. But you know, if you guys have any questions, you know, I'll always comment and make sure you guys, you know, get your answers to your questions. But anyways, I would have to say that this wig unit was pretty good, you guys. If you are wanting to know the specs of this wig unit, this is a 220% density wig unit. She's also a 13x6 deep parting space lace frontal wig. Okay. And if I didn't say, she's 220% density. I don't know if I said that. She's also 28 inches as well, you guys. So, of course, because it's pre-curled, and it has that 3D body wave curl to it, it's going to definitely appear shorter. But once you wash it, let it air dry and stuff like that, she's definitely 28 inches, you guys. So I absolutely love the install that I came out with. I would have to say for their curls, I felt like their curls were a little bit more long lasting, or they appeared more tighter, and felt like my hair was more voluminous. It had more of a curl to it, because I feel like in some of my other hair videos that I did, the pre-curl styles videos, I feel like the waves weren't really, you know, like juicy. I didn't really have any juicy curls, but I felt like these ones were really good. Like they actually kind of stayed. So I absolutely love that. So all in all, I would have to give this wig unit a 9 out of 10. Only because those adhesive tapes, literally, I don't know what was going on. I had to put my own adhesive tapes in, but that was like an easy, quick fix, you guys. But other than that, I really do like this wig unit. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next hair video. Bye.